Hey friends, happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing a fun project, raindrops and clouds. So what you will need, friends, is glue, color blue paint, something to add your color in your glue, aluminum foil, cotton balls. I have prepped my glue, my color blue paint, and some cotton balls. 12 cotton balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to start adding my cotton balls to the top of my aluminum foil, dipping the cotton balls into the glue. Just adding these cotton balls to the top of the aluminum foil, like I said. Be a fun project. They're going to be loving feeling these cotton balls. Super fun. Once you have added all your cotton balls to the top of the aluminum foil, it should look something like this. Now we are going to use our thumbs and we're going to create little raindrops at the bottom of our clouds. Like so. And just add those raindrops to the bottom of those clouds. And this is what the finished product looks like. Raindrops and clouds.